Hello, my dear students. Welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to add stiffener to a model. Let us see what the function of stiffener. Stiffeners are generally added to increase the strength of components. To add a stiffener, choose the stiffener tool from the advanced extrude features. You can select from this toolbar, that is sketch based features. In this you can choose here, this is the stiffener. You can also choose go to the insert tool, sketch based features. The sub tool is stiffener. You can see here, when you choose the sub tool in the sketch based features, now the stiffener definition dialog box appear. It shows two different modes. One is the from side mode, second one is the from top mode. When you choose from side mode, the thickness one, neutral fiber, and depth, these are the options invoked. When you choose from top, thickness, same here also, neutral fiber, depth, profile, these are invoked. uh, Next, you need to select the sketch for creating a stiffener. An open sketch is required for creating a stiffener feature. Uh, if the sketch is not already drawn, you can see here. This is the I want to add stiffener to this surface and this surface. If the sketch is not already drawn, choose Sketcher button on the right of the selection display box in the profile area. You can see here, this is the sketch tool. Now you can choose this sketch tool. Again, you can select the plane. I need to select this middle plane. Now I'm going to select one line. Now connecting this surface and this surface. Before going to apply stiffener, let us see this endpoint, this line endpoint coincide with this surface or not. Now select this line endpoint and this surface edge and choose constraint definition dialog box. In this you can choose coincident. Now the line endpoint coincide with this surface. Similarly, you have to check this line endpoint and this surface coincide or not. You can choose this line endpoint and surface, go to the constraint definition and choose coincident. Now click on OK. Now exit from workbench. Now choose stiffener tool. Now the stiffener definition dialog box appear. In this I want to choose from side mode. Now it shows thickness 1. Default this value is 1 mm and neutral fiber is activated. You will notice that neutral fiber checkbox is selected by default. While creating the stiffener, if you select the from side button and clear the neutral fiber checkbox, if you select this neutral fiber, uh, it it applies the thickness equal to this sketch to both sides. Now I want to uncheck this neutral fiber. The reverse direction button provided below, this reverse direction invoked. This button is used to toggle between left and right side of the sketch to create the stiffener. You can see here, with the help of reverse direction you can apply the thickness to the left side or right side of the already drawn sketch. You can also increase the thickness in this dialog box. Now click on OK. Now the stiffener is added to these two surfaces. Let us see the one more example. This is the another model. I need to apply the stiffener to this surface and this horizontal surface. Similarly, I want to choose this middle plane. Click on sketch tool. Now draw the line this surface to this horizontal surface. You need to check this line endpoint coincide with this surface and this endpoint coincide with this horizontal surface. Let us see here. Now select this line endpoint and this surface. Go to the constraint definition dialog box. Select coincident. Okay. Similarly, you can select this line endpoint and this surface. Select constraint definition dialog box. Choose coincident. Now click on OK. Now exit from workbench. You need to choose stiffener tool. Uh, Same, you need to apply the thickness with depending upon your requirement. You can choose neutral fiber or not. Now click on OK. These are the two examples for how to adding stiffness to a model. One is the vertical edge, another one is the curvature edge. Let us see the third model. You can see here. Uh, in previous two examples, I explained that uh, how to add stiffness to from side side mode. Let us see the how to add stiffness from top mode. I have taken one more model. This is the one shell. I need to apply the stiffness to in between surface. Now I want to choose the middle plane. Now click on sketch tool. Just you need to draw uh, lines in this surface. This is the one line. Next this is the one more line. This is the one more line. Just I had drawn a rough sketch in this surface. Now click on exit workbench. Now select stiffener. You can see here it directly it's default it's selected by from top mode. uh, in this also you need to enter thickness, you need to change neutral fiber, that is depending upon your requirement. Now click preview. You can see here this is the this is the example for how to apply how to add stiffeners from top model. You can also edit the values. Just you can double click on this stiffener. Just you can go to extract part body. You can double click on stiffener. You need to edit anything in future. You can also edit the sketch. I want to add one more line. Now exit from workbench. This is the brief discussion about how to add a Stiffener tool to the required model. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.